have used Vibrant's resources related to digital SAT in the Arisha Edu support for the students. And we have also used for Arisha the GRE material of Vibrant. They are very good, and they, to a certain extent, I can say 95%, the quality is up to the mark of what the questions are tested in actual tests. And the way they have divided the questions into easy, medium, and difficult level, which is actually now necessary for the digital SAT. So it like no, it helps students to identify that what's the difference between easy, medium, and difficult level questions. That in easy, one concept will be there, and in the medium level difficulty, maybe two or three concepts are there, or in the difficult questions, more than three concepts also could be asked in one question itself. So if the passage is easy, the question will be difficult, or the vice versa, it could be there. So we have in-depth studied it, and all my students of Arisha have scored very good scores in terms of English, I can say, because I'm the English master trainer over here. So my students are always getting 750 and above. And Vibrant's publishers material has always been an integral part of our training material. Along with the other books, whatever we give, we always make sure that we give them the Vibrant material as the first thing, right? So first, because the concepts are explained in details over here, and the classification is also given in very detailed and a clear manner. So this is the first book which we give to the students, and we make them solve. And then we go to the digital version, wherein make the students work on the digital questionnaire and all. So that's how we go about it. The material is very good. If you talk about the digital SAT, the material is great, and even the GRE material is also very great. So I'm really very happy, and the students of Arisha also are scoring good because of Vibrant. So thank you, Deep Ji, that you have created. Your team has created excellent material, and you gave us a chance to edit and go through the material from the very beginning of the time, like before even publishing. We have gone through the content, so we know, yes, we have confidence over the material.